Unlock Claude Opus 5 for free without a subscription. Get $175 in starting credits instantly. This video will guide you through the setup process to get started. The Agent Router Gateway allows you to connect the official Claude Desktop app and bypass quota limits using custom auth tokens, providing a developer-focused workaround for AI coding. To receive your $175 in credits, sign up using the referral link provided. Note that your GitHub account must be at least 7 to 8 months old, as new accounts are not accepted. Once registered, the Agent Router console acts as your control center. Here, you can verify your status, view your starting credits, and monitor your usage statistics through clear charts.
In the API token section, create a new token, but ensure the unlimited quota toggle is set to on. This is critical for maximizing your usage.
Next, download the official Claude Desktop app and enable developer mode in the settings. This step is necessary to link the app to the gateway. To integrate the gateway, configure your settings by entering the base URL, pasting your generated API key, and setting the authentication scheme to bearer. After entering your credentials, test the connection to verify it is active. Once successful, save the configuration and restart the gateway. For optimal performance, select Opus 5 and toggle on Ultra Code for complex tasks. This enables deep step reasoning to help with your most challenging coding projects. Monitor your usage in the Usage Log tab to keep track of every request, token consumption, and cost, ensuring you stay in control of your account balance. You can earn more credits through the referral program. Simply copy your unique link from the Wallet tab and share it with other developers to earn bonuses. Follow this checklist to complete your setup. If you need any assistance, join the official Discord server. Keep building and enjoy your access to Claude Opus 5. To access the promotional $175 starting balance, which provides hundreds of free advanced code generation cycles, registration must be initiated through the authorized promotional link. Find the link below or the link from description into your web browser and get access to the latest version of Claude Code forever. And do subscribe our channel for more such informative content.